Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon at the top of the watch face, or if you open the quick panel, the icon will be highlighted. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon, and the mode will be disabled. As you can see, the icon from the watch face is gone, and the icon on the quick panel is back to the gray color. You can also make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, so basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically. To do it, we need to wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, you need to tap on it, and here we need to find the option called sounds and vibration, and once you find it, tap on it, and now scroll down and find the Do Not Disturb mode option. Once you find it, tap on it to enter, and here we have the all day option. This is basically turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you tap on the switch, you can turn on the mode and turn off. But if you're interested in schedules, scroll down, we have schedules, or rather scheduled category, and here we have the existing schedule. We can turn it on or off. You can also tap on it to customize it, or you can tap on add time to make your own, and here we can tap on start time to set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. So you can do it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes, then PM and AM. And once you're done, tap on the check mark. Next we have the end time, so basically on which the hour on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning off. Same thing, you can swipe up and down to adjust the time, like that. And then we have the repeat option, and this option allows you to select on which days the schedule should be active. So for example, if you select Monday, it will work on every Monday. If you select Monday and Tuesday, it will work on every Monday and Tuesday, and so on and so on. Tap on OK, then OK, and here we have our schedule, and you can turn it on or off. You can edit it by tapping on it, so you can change some stuff. You can also remove the schedules by tapping on one and tapping on delete. And once you're done setting up your schedules, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.